Hello everybody, so today I'm going to walk you through how to use the new Gutenberg editor on WordPress. To begin, navigate to your site. Depending on where you are in this process, you may need to install the Gutenberg editor. If this is the case, on your dashboard, a large banner will appear, and on it will be a button you can click to install and activate Gutenberg. After installing Gutenberg, go to your posts. Gutenberg works on both posts and pages. Now that we are in the post editor, you will see a large difference from the classic editor. The big difference between the classic editor and Gutenberg is that Gutenberg works in blocks. These blocks can be paragraphs, images, videos, etc. To add a block, go to the top left and select the plus sign. Go ahead and explore these blocks. We will be coming back to these blocks later. Next to the plus sign is an undo and redo button. Also, there is a little information button that shows you some details of your blog post, like word count. The Save, Draft, Preview, and Publish on Gutenberg are now at the top in a row. Also at the top is the little settings gear that allows you to hide the settings on the right-hand side. The three dots on the side allow you to switch from the visual editor and the code editor. Right now we are on the visual editor, but if you need to adjust the HTML and CSS of this post, you can do it there. There are also some more settings that you can play around in there. Pressing the gear icon again will bring back the sidebar with more of our features. The first section setting we see is status and visibility. This is where you can adjust the visibility from public to private. You can also adjust the author and post format here. Below are categories or folders on your website. This is where you want to organize your posts into these different topics. Underneath the categories are tags. I like to describe these as hashtags as they break down the category and make it easier for people to find your posts on your website. The featured image setting is for adding an image that acts as a media thumbnail. This is especially helpful for the themes that have post previews so that the image displays at the top. The excerpt is also helpful for those themes with post previews as this allows you to control what text shows up in that preview. In discussion, we can turn off or on comments and pingbacks and trackbacks. Now let's begin actually writing our post. Let's start by adding a title to our post. Now I'm going to add some text to our post by just clicking into this area and typing what I want. Notice that when I click on the text box, more options appear on the right-hand sidebar. I can make the text bigger, change colors, and some more advanced features. Also, when you click on the box, more options like alignment, hyperlinking, and so on will appear. For bolding and italicizing, make sure to highlight the text you want to bold or italicize, and then select that option. Also on the left, I can change the block type by clicking on that paragraph button. When you change the block type, more options will appear in the right sidebar. I can also reorder my blocks by clicking these down and up arrows. To make our post more visually appealing, let's add an image. I'm going to go up to that plus arrow in the top left and select image. Here you can upload an image or choose from your media library. For now, I'm going to select this image. Now this image appears in our post. If we click on this image again, more options will appear in that sidebar. These settings include image dimensions, captions, and so on. Also, clicking on the image will give you alignment choices like center, left, or right aligned. To get rid of a block, all you have to do is hover over on the right-hand side and select the three dots. Here you can also edit it, copy it, or remove it. When you are happy with your post, go ahead and press publish on the right-hand side. This will then put your article onto the front end of your website. There are more features that I highly recommend playing around with on Gutenberg. For right now, Gutenberg is in beta, but it will soon be released to everybody on WordPress, almost like an iOS update. Thank you for watching, and good luck using Gutenberg.